MaraX Black version is the ultimate combination between design, functionality, and ease of use. Let's see how to upgrade your coffee experience with this iconic product. This captivating MaraX version features a colored appliance body with texture finish and elegant maple wood details. Its multi-directional wands allow you to froth milk and deliver water via the knobs. Also, you can customize the use of the machine via the dedicated buttons. Let's dive in and discover how to use this coffee machine. Switch on MaraX and wait for the pilot light to stop flashing. That's when the coffee machine will reach the right temperature and will be ready to use. During the warm-up phase, hook the filter holder to the body of the machine. This helps temperature consistency up to the coffee cup. The temperature configuration button allows you to choose the ideal extraction temperature between warm, hot, and extra hot to enhance the taste of the extracted coffee according to the different roasts. The X mode steam setting is perfect for daily use for the preparation of milk and coffee beverages. The X mode coffee, on the other hand, is intended for coffee and specialty coffee enthusiasts. The perfect coffee cup is a balance of several key elements, from grinding to the coffee preparation. To obtain exceptional results, before brewing your coffee, do a purge to reach the correct temperature. Also, carefully choose the quality and quantity of the blend to get an excellent cup. We suggest using freshly ground coffee to obtain the best results. To start brewing, lift up the brew lever. The manometer will indicate both steam and water pressure. When you want to stop, simply pull the lever. All you have to do is try it. As you can hear, the silent pump won't disturb anyone. Don't worry if the brew is not immediate. It's the pre-infusion in action. If you run out of water in the tank during brewing, the reserve mode will automatically activate to allow you to complete your coffee. The corresponding LED will start flashing to indicate the lack of water. Always remove the coffee puck from the filter holder after the extraction. Shall we talk about Cappuccino? Simply rotate the dedicated knob to deliver steam. We recommend turning it for a few seconds before frothing milk to eliminate any possible water drops. And if you need hot water to prepare tea, infusions, or American coffee, simply open the dedicated hot water knob. When you want to stop, turn the knob again. The drip tray can be easily removed for clearing operations. Once you've tasted your coffee, MaraX goes into standby mode after 30 minutes of inactivity. If you want to start again, all you have to do is raise and lower the lever and wait for the LED to turn on, indicating that the machine has reached the optimal temperature. MaraX brings your coffee corner to a whole new level with its wooden details. Pleasant to the touch and with a very fine aesthetic, the upgrade kit gives MaraX an elegant twist. Feel the performance already? Step up your coffee experience and design with MaraX.